General introduction. General introduction of the dengue virus. Beyond introduction, dengue is the most important arthropod-borne viral disease. 319 million people annually across in the tropical India now contributes the 34% of the global total. India is hyperendemic to all four dengue serotypes, and high number of cases are reported almost every year post monsoon. And there is a huge population which is serially infected with different dengue serotypes. Dengue is a self-limiting disease with fatal illness but causes wide range of disease in humans from acute dengue fever to life-threatening dengue hemorrhagic and the dengue shock syndrome. DF is characterized by the fever, headache, retroorbital pain, myalgia, muscle pain, arthralgia, and the joint pain and the rashes. And DHF marked by increased vascular permeability, thrombocytopenia, and the hemorrhagic manifestation occurs when fluid leakage into interstitial spaces result in shock, which without appropriate treatment may lead to a death. Currently, there are no therapeutics available. Now, general introduction. Dengue virus belongs to genus Flavivirus, family Flaviridae, and transmitted from the Aedes aegypti, Aedes albopictus. The positive sense RNA, approx 10 kb genome, single stranded RNA encodes the 10 proteins. 3 are structural proteins, capsid, PRM, envelope, and the 7 are non-structural protein NS1, NS2, NS2B, NS3, NS4A, NS4B, NS5. The mature virus surface contains E and the M proteins and cleaved derivative protein. This is a general introduction of the viral genome, nucleocapsid, E and the M proteins, and the viral envelope. And the diagnostic marker for the dengue. The NS1, IgM, and the IgG, they are the diagnostic marker for the IgG. NS1 are detectable RNA during the first week of illness, and the IgG increases after 10 days and usually lifelong. And primary infections and the secondary infection. The IgM are produced earlier than the IgG and infected with the first time. People develop lifelong immunity for particular serotype but not for all. This is pathophysiology. The pathophysiology differentiated in 3 phases: fabrical phases, critical phases, recovery phases.